In this clip, we are going to study some tests for divisibility. In the previous assignment, where I just left question number 1, because first of all we will study the divisibility rules. Then we will come back to the factors, how to find the factors. Test of divisibility. How can we say that in any number 2 is its factor? Suppose it is asked to write the factors of 48. How can you say that 2 is the factor of 48? So for saying 2 is the factor for any number, that number, if in its ones place, is the number which is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If in its ones place, the number is from 0 to 4, 6 and 8, then we will say that 2 is the factor of the given number. Suppose 36. Is 2 the factor of 36? Can we say? Yes, we can say 2 is the factor of 36. Why? Because in 36 also the even number, in the ones place there is the even number. Got it? You can see this number 242. Can you say 2 is the factor of this number? Yes, 2 is the factor. What is the reason for that? Its ones place is a number which is from 0 to 4, 6 and 8. So for saying that any number the factor of 2, if in its ones place is the even number, that is, if in its ones place there is a digit which is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, then after 2, how can we say any number has 3 as its factor? How can we say any number has 3 as its factor? First of all, in that given number, we will add the given digits. Add this 4 and 8. When we will add this 4 and 8, we are getting here 12. After adding it, the result which is coming, if that result is there in the table of 3, that 12 is there in the table of 3, means definitely 3 will be the factor of 48. So what is the rule for 3? Once again I'll tell you. Rule for 3 is the given digits of the number we will add. Keep in mind, whatever digits are given, we will add. After adding the digits, the answer which we get, the result which we get, if it is in the table of 3, now if suppose this number you take 156, you just add 1, 5 and 6. 5 plus 1, 6, then 6 plus 6 also is 12. So is this 12 coming in the table of 3? 12 is coming. That means 156 has 3 as its factor. So divisibility rule for 3 is clear, I suppose. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Sum of its digits means in the given number, all the digits we will add and see. If after adding the digits we get the number which is in the table of 3, means that is divisible by 3. Okay, then what is the rule for 4? Pay attention carefully. A number is divisible by 4 if its last 2 digits are either 0 or the number formed by them is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 4. You see, if it is asked to write the factor of 156. So how can you say 4 is the factor of this number? If at all that given number is having 0 in its ones place. Keep in mind, if that number has 0 in its ones place, that means that will be divisible by 4 definitely. Okay, if its last 2 digits are 0, not only the one digit, it should have both the 2 digits should be 0. That means it will be divisible by 4. Otherwise, you just divide the last 2 digits of the number by 4. You divide the last 2 digits of the number by 4. Suppose it is 56 now, like this. 56. Divide this 56 by 4. 1 times it will be 4. 4 times it will be 16. Any remainder is left? No, na? That means 56 has 4 as its factor. You got it what I said for 4? Rule for 4 is, in the given number, if its last 2 digits are 0, in the given number, if its last 2 digits are 0, or the last 2 digits when we divide with 4, last 2 digits when we divide with 4, it gives no remainder, then only 4 will be its factor. Okay, if it is asked to say 750 is the, 750 has 4 as factor, can we say? How can we say? We can say only when we divide this 50 by 4. Okay, divide this 50 by 4. If you will get any remainder downside, while you will divide this 50 by 4, you will get some remainder downside. That means 4 is not the factor. Okay, and if you don't get any remainder, that means 4 is the factor. So divisibility by 4 also clear. Its last 2 digits either be 0, last 2 digits either be 0, or the last 2 digits when we divide by 4, it should give no remainder. Last 2 digits when we divide by 4, it should give no remainder. 2, 3 and 4 we did. Now we'll come to 5. Very simple. Previous class also we have discussed this. What is the rule for 5? The number should have 0 or 5 in its ones place. Keep in mind, any number when it has in its ones place a 0 or in its ones place it has 5. 0 or 5 if it has, that means the number will have 5 as its factor. Okay, can you say 36 as the 36 has 5 as factor? We cannot say. Why? Because its ones place is 6. 48 is the factor of 5. 5 is the factor of 48? No, because its ones place is 8. For being divisible by 5, what should be there in its ones place? For being divisible by 5, its ones place should be 0 or it should be 5. We'll recap once from 2 till 5. Then in next clip, I'll share from 6 to 11. What is the rule for 2? Any number will have 2 as its factor when its ones place is 0, 4, 6 and 8. Keep in mind, when its ones place is 0, 4, 6 and 8, it will clearly be divisible by 2, or 2 will be the factor of that number. Can 750 has 2 as its factor? Yes. Why? Because its ones place is 0. Just keep in mind. Okay. Then what about 3? For 3, we will add the digits of the given number. Suppose 111. What we will do? 1 plus 1 plus 1. 132. What we will do? 1 plus 3 plus 2. Like this. Okay. So after adding it, if the answer is that number, if it is coming in the table of 3, means yes, it is divisible or 3 is the factor, otherwise no. What is the rule for 4? Last 2 digits of the number. Keep in mind, for 4 we will always see the last 2 digits of the number. Last 2 digits, if they are 0, then means yes, 4 is the factor. Or last 2 digits we will divide and see by 4. Last 2 digits we will divide and see by 4. If no remainder, means yes, 4 is the factor. Okay. And if any remainder is left, that time 4 cannot be the factor. And divisibility rule for 5 is, we will see its ones place. If in its ones place is 0 or in its ones place is 5. 0 or 5 if it is there, that means 5 is the factor of the given number. So you see here 85. Can 5 be the factor of 85? Yes, because its ones place is 5. Can 2 be the factor of 85? No, because its ones place is not among the even digits, right? So we have completed till divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rest all we'll discuss in the next clip.